In this program, you've seen important information about how fire behaves inside a compartment or enclosed structure. We have shown a definition of fire and the combustion process based on the fire tetrahedron, the role of oxygen and oxygenating agents in combustion, how fuels are transformed into different states of matter through pyrolysis and vaporization, different types of heat energy, and the self-sustaining chemical reaction in the fire tetrahedron, 3 methods of heat transfer, a description of the products of combustion, the stages of compartment fire development, key factors in fire development, and special fire conditions that every firefighter must anticipate and recognize. By understanding certain basic concepts of compartment fire ignition and development, every firefighter has a much better chance of recognizing and predicting fire behavior. This knowledge is important to everyone on the fire ground, because by recognizing what probably comes next, you are in a much better position to decide what you should do now.